गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। मैं सौरभ कुमार गौतम, लेक्चरर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग, ई लेक्चर्स की इस श्रृंखला में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत अभिनंदन करता हूं। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम सब सेकेंड ईयर कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियरिंग के सब्जेक्ट CS 205 बेसिक्स ऑफ डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के चैप्टर नंबर 2 नंबर सिस्टम के पहले टॉपिक 2.1 में डिफरेंट नंबर सिस्टम्स का अध्ययन करेंगे। स्टूडेंट्स, इस लेक्चर के दौरान जो कंटेंट हम आपके साथ साझा कर रहे हैं वो डिजिटल प्रिंसिपल्स बाय अनिल कुमार मनी सर विली के द्वारा जो बुक पब्लिश की गई है उसे हमने रेफरेंस के तौर पर लिया है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट। इससे पहले वाले लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम के बारे में जान लिया है। द बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम इज अ रेडिक्स 2 number system with 0 and 1 as the two independent digits. All larger binary numbers are represented in terms of 0 and 1. The procedure for writing higher order binary numbers after 1 is similar to one explained in the case of the decimal number system. For example, the first 16 numbers in the binary number system would be, we know, like this: 0 1 1 0 1 1 and so on. The next number after 1 1 1, that is decimal 15, is 1 4 times of 0, which is the lowest binary number with the 5 digits. This also proves the point made earlier that a maximum of only 16, that is 2 to the power 4 numbers would be written with the 4 digits. Starting from the binary point, the place values of different digits in a mixed binary number are 2 raised to the power 0, raised to the power 1, raised to the power 2 and so on for the integer part, and raised to the power minus 1, raised to the power minus 2, raised to the power minus 3 and so on for the fractional part. Now let's discuss one example, very easy example and very fundamental example is there. Consider an arbitrary number system with the independent digits as 0, 1 and x. What is the radix of this number system? List the first 10 numbers in this number system. So the radix of the proposed number system is 3. क्योंकि 3 डिफरेंट प्रकार के सिंबल्स इस एग्जाम्पल में इस्तेमाल हुए हैं, तो इसका जो मिनिमम हम नंबर सिस्टम लेंगे दैट इज इक्वल टू 3, और मान के चलिए इस x की वैल्यू शुड बी लेस देन 3. द फर्स्ट 10 numbers in the number system would be 0, 1, x, 1 0, 1 1, 1 x and so on. Now let's discuss the advantages of the binary number system. Logic operations are the backbone of any digital computer. Although solving a problem on computer could involve an arithmetic operation too. The introduction of the mathematics of logic by George Boole laid the foundation for the modern digital computer. He reduced the mathematics of logic to a binary notation of 0 and 1. As the mathematics of logic was well established and had proved itself to be quite useful in solving all kinds of logical problem, and also as the mathematics of logic, that is also known as Boolean algebra, had been reduced to a binary notation, the binary number system had a clear edge over number systems for use in computer systems. So that is the biggest advantage of binary number system over any other number system used. Yet another significant advantage of this number system was that all kinds of data could be conveniently represented in terms of zeros and ones. Also, basic electronic devices used for hardware implementation could be conveniently and efficiently operated in two distinctly different modes. For example, a bipolar transistor could be operated either in cutoff or in saturation very efficiently. And lastly, the circuits required for performing arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division become a simple affair when the data involved are represented in the form of zeros and ones. So students, ये था हमारा बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम, जहाँ पर दो प्रकार के सिंबल्स 0 और 1 का हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं समस्त अंक पद्धति को समझने के लिए. अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं हमारा अगला नंबर सिस्टम, जो कि है ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम. द ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम हैज़ अ रेडिक्स ऑफ 8 and therefore has 8 distinct digits. All higher order numbers are expressed as a combination of these on the same pattern as one followed in the case of the binary and decimal number systems. The independent digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The next 10 numbers that follow 7, for example, would be 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, like this. In fact, if we omit all the numbers containing the digits 8 or 9 or both from the decimal number system, we end up with an octal number system. The place values for the different digits in the octal number system are at raised to the power 0, raised to the power 1, raised to the power 2 and so on for the integer part, and at raised to the power -1, -2, -3 and so on for the fractional part. Now we will discuss about the fourth important number system, that is hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system is a radix 16 number system, and its 16 basic digits are 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F. The place values or weights of different digits in a mixed hexadecimal number are 16 raised to the power 0, raised to the power 1, raised to the power 2 and so on for the integer part, and raised to the power -1, raised to the power -2, -3 and so on for the fractional part. और जो most important बात है simple सी, the decimal equivalent of A, B, C, D, E and F are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 respectively for obvious reasons. The hexadecimal number system provides a condensed way of representing large binary numbers stored and processed inside the computer. One such example is in representing address of different memory locations. Let us assume that a machine has 64 kilo of memory. Such a memory has 64, that is टू द पावर 16 65,536 65,536 memory locations and needs 65,536 different addresses. So these addresses can be designated as 0 to this in the decimal number system and like this in the binary number system. The decimal number system is not used in computers and use the binary notation. Here appears too cumbersome and inconvenient to handle. In the hexadecimal number system, 65,536 different addresses can be expressed with 4 digits from 0000 to 5FFF. Similarly, the contents of the memory when represented in the hexadecimal form are very convenient to handle. So students, मैं आशा करता हूँ कि ये लेक्चर आपको पसंद आया होगा और आपके लिए उपयोगी सिद्ध होगा। अगले लेक्चर में हम नंबर सिस्टम से जुड़ी कुछ और बातें जानेंगे। धन्यवाद।